Hello students, so welcome to my YouTube channel Hasnan Academy. This is Hasnan Hazara. In this playlist we will cover quadratic equation, also a cubic equation. What is quadratic equation? Quadratic equation is an algebraic equation which have the degree 2 equal to 2. What is degree? Degree is the polynomial highest power. Suppose we have an equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is an equation because there is an inequality. If you can see that the highest power is 2, means the degree is 2, it means that this equation is called a quadratic equation. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. In this playlist we will discuss the how to solve a quadratic equation. We will discuss only two methods, that is by balancing method and by quadratic formula, one by one. Hope you will enjoy this playlist of quadratic equation. Thank you so much for watching my video.